Deborah Kruger. I'm an environmental artist. If you're watching this, you probably know me. I made this piece for my upcoming exhibition, which is a solo show at a museum in northern Italy. So I'm just starting to roll out information about that on my social media. I hope you'll follow me on Instagram, Deborah Kruger Studios, or my website, and you'll get more information.
Hi, I'm Barbara Pavan, Senior Curator of Contemporary Art and the curator of Deborah Kruger's major European exhibition at MoMA Museum this summer in Italy.
It is so amazing that I got this show. I simply do not meet the criteria. I'm a woman, I'm a grandmother, I work in textiles, and I'm alive. So to have a museum show devoted to my artwork is really not only a dream come true, but it is extremely rare.
Hi, my name is James Burns. I was a museum director and curator for over 3 decades, now consulting curator, and I'm thrilled to be working with internationally acclaimed artist Deborah Kruger.
In addition to showing the mural behind me at the show in Italy, I will also be debuting some of my new artwork that features these sculptures that are made from my drawings of endangered birds, and I am now working at a foundry in order to create these phenomenal sculptures. So your support will also help me with debuting this exciting new work, and I can't wait to show it to you. I'm making this video today because I really need help to mount the show. Unless an artist is really famous, a lot of the costs still fall to the artist. So I need support to get to the show, to ship my work to the show, to stay in the area, which is on Lake Maggiore, north of Milan, Italy. And you can make a contribution to my Fractured Atlas account, tax deductible. Any amount would be amazing. So if it's just a little modest amount, that will be meaningful to me. And if you can dig deep and make a major donation, that would be great. Here's the thing. I have a very generous benefactor who is going to match the first $8,000 that I raise. So let's do it. Let's get me to Italy. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world to me, and I just can't even believe that this show is happening.